In this lecture, we will understand the key terms that are related to project life cycle. Adaptive life cycles. These life cycles anticipate frequent changes of the project scope, schedule, and cost. Stakeholders' involvement is high as the project develops quickly and future phases are based on defined requirements and the results of preceding phases. In the adaptive life cycles, we speculate, collaborate, learn, and this cycle goes on. Composite structure, an organizational structure that uses a blend of functional matrix and projectized structure to operate and manage projects. Cultural norm, the accepted practice, cultures, ideas, vision, and name of an organization. Enterprise environmental factors, elements that create the boundaries for the project manager. These may help or hinder the project manager's ability to navigate within the project. Examples include rules, regulations, industry standards, and organizational procedures the project manager is obliged to follow. Fast tracking, a schedule compression technique that allows phases to overlap in order to compress the schedule and finish the job faster. Fast tracking does increase project risk. Functional managers, the managers of the permanent staff in each organizational department, line of business, or function, such as sales, finance, and technology. Project managers and functional managers interact on project decisions that affect functions, project, and operations. Functional organizations, entities that have a clear division regarding business units and their associated responsibilities. Project managers in functional organizations have little power and report to the functional managers. This is an organization that groups staff according to their expertise, for example, sales, marketing, finance, and information technology. Iterative and incremental life cycle. The project scope is defined early in the project, but the cost and schedule are iteratively developed. The project moves through iterations of processes better to define the project's product, time, and cost.